Hi, what's happening, guys? My name is Bharat Nagpal. We are here at LG's head office in Greater Noida, and we are sitting with a very wonderful gentleman over to my right. He is the head of marketing for LG Mobiles in India, and we've had several conversations with him in the past, but he is here on Let's Talk Shop, and we're going to find out what it is to work in LG and what the environment is like, and of course, we're going to be talking about products. So, welcome Mr. Amit Gujral.
Thank you.
To Let's Talk Shop. Are we ready to talk shop?
Sure.
Okay, so let's start off with LG's new flagship product, which is the G3. So, what gave birth to the G3? What do you feel is special about it in this new flagship of yours?
Bharat, if you recall G2,
Right.
we said we are learning from you.
Right.
And it was not just a slogan. It is a well-conceived consumer research all across globe. We don't say only India or you or something like that. So when we have been listening from consumers, you know, with the advent of smartphone, the desires are endless, right? And typically, majority of the phones are Android smartphones, so the chances of differentiating, you know, are limited.
Right.
So we never wanted to be in the race saying that, no, I have this better and that better. What we did basically is we went to people, the consumers, and asked them what they look up to.
Right.
So the story began from G2 and converged now into G3 with a miraculous display.
Okay.
With smartphone being used majorly towards multimedia, need was a vibrant, much colorful, much natural, and the best possible display, and hence G3's Quad HD display. Right. People have been using cameras all along, and they said, can we have touch and shoot instead of fiddling around with buttons? Right. And here comes G3 camera. You just touch, it takes the shots. Laser autofocus, which I'm sure gadget freaks like you only see in SLRs, not in normal cameras, and it comes on G3. So it has all about, you know, what we heard from people and put it all that into G3. Plus a major breakthrough about consumers' need of simplicity. They want to do everything on smartphones,
right,
but in simpler, smarter way. And that became our second mantra for G3. And we said, simple is the new smart. And if you have used G3, if consumers have seen G3, it's fairly simple and neat.
Right.
That's about G3.
Right. You also have these new marketing campaigns where you've given examples on how to take a picture. Just click, yep, for example. So it's as simple as that.
Yes.
Okay. So you've got a very famous celebrity on board this time around for the G3, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, as your brand ambassador for this particular product. How or why was Mr. Bachchan selected for this particular product, and what's the story behind it?
I would not like to coin him as a brand ambassador.
Okay.
The whole intent was G3 by all means, if I see today, is a legendary phone, right? And he joined us as an endorser. Okay. So I don't want to really go into English words called endorser and ambassador. However, we approached him, he started using the phone. And he liked so much, and what you heard on the launch, right, what he spoke. He never spoke his movies. He never spoke what people see him doing things. What he spoke was purely G3, right? And that's a wonderful thing to happen. And hence our campaign, a legend by a legend.
Right.
And who better to talk about G3 than Mr. Bachchan in the country?
So you have some limited edition phones that are going out with his signature on the back. Right. So how long can we expect to see these phones? Just a month?
I have one in the pocket.
Right.
Here is the signature.
You're always showing off, Amit.
Here is the signature, right, for all to see, and a very limited 15,000 quantities, okay, will be sold in the country, right, with his signature.
Wow, fantastic. Typically whenever we sit, we talk about things like tablets and their importance in a country like India. So has anything changed since the last time we spoke? Is LG looking to go into tablets aggressively in the near future?
Bharat, I would come back to you with the same question. Has the market in India changed?
Well, I don't know. I don't think so.
Yeah. So, still that thin line between a 5.5, 6-inch phablet and tablet is very, very thin.
Right.
Right. Today, your smartphones with larger screens are really, really causing a kind of, understanding, do I really need a tablet? Market in this country as of now is still not very, very mature for tablets.
Right.
But we don't say we don't have tablets. We do have tablets.
Right.
And the way in the premium phones we have been differentiating on why only premium phones, even in the mid segment with the L Series 3 with knock on and knock out of the world,
right.
The way we have brought the premium features into mid segment. Similarly, we are just awaiting a tablet to be looked, seen, behaved, consumed differently.
All right.
And I think pretty soon we'll have a tablet in the market.
All right.
More details when we meet next.
You can even give details now, it's fine. We'll accept them.
I think I need another chance to meet you once again.
All right, fine, perfect. As long as we get to sit together again.
Of course, yes.
Okay, so today social media has become really important. At least for people like us, we are on social networks like throughout the day, even sometimes at night. How important is it for a company like LG to take care of social media or be available on social media for the public?
Social media is, I don't want to say important, it is something which is a must.
Okay.
The dramatic shift in consumer behavior, which has been seen over the last couple of years, is it all started with me, and me first.
Right.
However, it is we, and we, and thanks to social media. So it's pretty important, and we do connect to our consumers via social media, right? And one of the game-changing examples of social media in the country has been the recent BJP campaign,
right.
With Mr. Modi taking it on to a different heights altogether.
Right.
So we see it as a very important media, and we do definitely consume that.
Okay, perfect. Software updates is something that people have aggressively looked upon in the past. Although LG has been pretty good at providing software updates in the recent years. We saw with the G2, even with the G Flex. Now the G3 comes with KitKat out of the box. What is the policy going forward? Is it going to be as aggressive? Are you trying to improve the software updates? How important is it for LG to provide quick software updates?
The need of update was more when fragmentation of Android was very heavy.
Right.
I think all of consumers and you know what has happened after the KitKat, the donut, the jelly bean, so on and so forth. But we had been the first ones to have KitKat right at the mid segment. And then on, I don't think any new announcement has come from the stable of Google, right? Updates are important, for sure. But I'm very sure even the OS developers are understanding the pains they go through, right? With so much of fragmentation. Right now, my entire portfolio is Android KitKat, right? And you would second me with that, including L Series 3 as well.
Right.
Why only flagships?
Right.
Yes, they're important. And we'll continue to serve consumers what they look forward to.
Okay, perfect. So for the past 2 years, or for the past 2 generations of, shall I say, Nexus devices, we've been seeing from LG. What is expected this year? Is LG going to stick on to Google's wagon?
Bharat, again, I say that Nexus is a program which we all know is run by Google.
Right.
So they or the God would know the best.
All right. Okay, perfect. So no comment is what we always get. So no comment is what we are getting today as well. No problems. We've talked about your products. We've talked about the importance of LG as a company in the social media as well as software updates and all. What is it like? I mean, if somebody who's watching today says that, okay, maybe I want to work at a company like LG, what is the work environment like? What is it like? Because usually the norm is that, you know, a Korean company, they're very organized, they're very military time specific, everything is very serious and strict. Is it like that, or is it a lot easier, a lot more comfortable?
I would say it is more disciplined.
Okay.
When you say military-like, it means that planning is meticulous.
Okay.
Right? Not only what you have to do is only discussed, but what you have to achieve is discussed and planned.
Right.
Right? In terms of environment prevailing, I see it's a wonderful place to work at, wherein your caliber is being, respected the most.
Okay.
And not who you are, but how you are and what you have been contributing. Okay. To grow in this organization, there's no limit. It's only up to us how we are committed.
All right.
And how are we aligned to the cause of organization to grow and have people grown together.
Okay. So it's more work based. So if you're a hard worker and if you can show that, then you have growth.
If you are committed, if you are aligned towards achieving your goals,
right,
I would like to put that way, not just being hard worker.
Okay, perfect. So you know, a lot of people again watch our show and say that okay, he's the head of marketing for LG Mobile. What if I wanted to get to his position? I mean, what is that one message you would like to give to our viewers that tells them that this is the way that they can reach where you have reached today? What is that one message you'd like to give?
Bharat, personally speaking, I'm really very honored and thankful to the organization I'm serving. I have been heading R&D in this organization, and R&D, as you know, has been the most close to consumers. And our mantra of serving consumers the best way, my organization elevated me into marketing.
Right.
Right. So as I spoke earlier all about, it's all the people who are aligned to the vision, right? There is no dearth of growth. And my message to anybody of joining any organizations or doing any work, please be committed. Please be honest to what you have been doing. And I'm sure any surroundings would aid you perform your job, and hence no stoppages to grow.
Okay, perfect. So there you heard it directly from the man himself. As long as you have commitment, you can reach wherever you want to. Maybe someday even have his job, right? For the time being, LG is not giving away a lot, except for the fact that they have maybe possibly a tablet in the works, whether a big one or a small one. We don't know yet, and we won't know until we sit with him again. Until next time. So this has been Bharat Nagpal, guys. Thank you for watching.